Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For my subscribers, thank you, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to click the link down below and subscribe now. This is a very short video to show you how to achieve a beautiful twist out. I've had a lot of people ask me how to do a 2-strand twist out, and this really is my go-to apart from wash and go style. I am not very good at plaiting hair, weaving or any of that stuff, so when it comes to twist and wash and go, I am a pro. So I'm just going to show you how simple and how quick it is to achieve this look. So for this video I'll be needing a leave-in conditioner, oil and a cream to seal in the moisture in my hair. As always, I start on freshly washed hair. I'm just going to remove the t-shirt that I used to wrap and to dry my hair. So I've parted my hair into 4 sections. Again, it makes it a lot easier for me to get my hair styled. So I unravel the section that I've twisted up and I spritz it with water as the hair is partially dried, and it's always better to style your hair when it's wet. After that, I take my oil of choice and I apply directly onto my scalp and I massage my hair thoroughly. It's so important to massage your scalp because it improves blood flow and this promotes hair growth. Next up, I take my leave-in conditioner and I work it directly into my strands. And then I take a little bit of the cream and also work that in to get as much moisture as possible. And then I go on and detangle by using my Denman brush. And as you can see, I split my hair into 2 and I begin to twist. So this is the result of the first twist out. This is what the back section looks like. So fast forwarding to the front section, this is the last little twist out. And I just wanted to show you guys again how easy it is to do. So again, I start off by spritzing water, adding oil, leave-in conditioner, and my cream to seal in the moisture. And then I go on and use a Denman brush to detangle thoroughly. And after that, I twist it. Hi guys, so I've finished twisting up my hair. It took about 35 to 45 minutes. You don't have to twist your hair this small. You can make them a bit bigger, and that would obviously take less time to do as well. But if the smaller the size of your twist out, the more definition you will definitely get. So I want to get a bit more definition, and what I'll do is once my hair is dried, I will come back and show you guys the result. So this was after 2 or 3 days, I believe. My hair completely air dried, so I'm ready to unravel it. So I start by applying oil to my hands and all over my scalp, because by this time my scalp is quite dry. And the reason why I use the oil on my hands is to avoid my hair from freezing up. So to show you this process in real time, I unravel the bottom of the twist first, and then I unravel the twist the way I twisted it up, if that makes any sense. This is just to avoid my hair from frizzing up. The curls, as you can see, are well defined. They're very, very, very beautiful curls. and this is how simple it is to achieve this. You can see my hair's shrunken a lot from having twisted it up. So now in this section I begin to separate the twists, and this is so I could get more volume for my hair. So I'm done unraveling the twist. Now I'm going to take my comb and flex from the root. The reason why I do this is to have even bigger volume. I don't want my strands just jagged and all over the place. This way I can control the direction I want my hair to be in and how my hair looks. Again, I just go on and fluff my roots even more. So this is the final result. As you can see, some of my curls are very, very defined. However, some other parts are quite frizzy, and I think that's probably as a result of the hot weather. Other than that, I'm quite happy with the way my hair looks. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. As you can see, this is my final result. It's very, very, very simple, and it literally took about 10 minutes for me to unravel my twist and to fluff it. I could have this a lot bigger if I wanted to, but I'm quite happy with the size. I'm not too fussed about having really, really bouffant hair on my head. So this is just perfect for me. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.